So our tour of Photokina 2018 continues, and we've come over to the Fujifilm stand where there's a very interesting product development announcement, and I'm joined here by Theo from Fujifilm who's going to tell us more about it. Theo, thanks for joining me. So a really interesting bit of news from Fujifilm here.
Oh yeah, very, very exciting for us, now that we can actually talk about it. So the new GFX100 was announced yesterday. It's a development announcement of how we're going to expand our GFX lineup.
So tell us a little bit about the camera and what you can tell us about it so far.
Well, it's 100 megapixel, it shoots 4K video, and it has IBIS as well, which is a huge statement, I think, with a medium format sensor.
In terms of its pricing and availability as well, I know you can't say too much about the pricing, but there is a kind of a guide as to how much it will be.
Well, we announced yesterday it's going to be around $10,000. Obviously, as the product's still in development, we cannot confirm that, but around 10,000, that's our aim for body only. We haven't fixed up euro or sterling pricing yet, but that's a very, very competitive price for that product. And it's going to be hopefully available around spring, summer next year.
Fantastic, Theo. Thanks for your time. So there we go, a really interesting product development announcement from Fujifilm. And check back to Amateur Photographer for all the latest news here at Photokina 2018.